Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold with the non-farm payroll economic events will be released 10th March this week Friday. So now I am in a gold chart. You can see I am in a daily chart. Gold XAU USD is 18 12 18 10 level. This is the Wednesday 8th March. So I already draw black color line. This is the line is already not broken. This line, black color line, it is 1800 level. There's a huge resistance in left side and it has supported in the right side. I already mentioned my previous videos this level. So this level is a black color line. Level is a very important line. It will be break this like this is a non-farm payroll economic effect positive for the US dollar. It will be broken to the downside. That's the technical picture. So I have with the gold daily chart. So you can trade with gold with non-farm payroll. It's the economic event. I am in the Forex factory now. You can see the non-farm employment change 10th March is the high volatility economic data regard to the US dollar. That's the previous figure. You can see 517 is a very positive figure for last month February, and Fed Central Bank of America is expected 224k to the next figure for the next Friday. So that's the I like to going to the last month figures is what that was held February 3rd. It's a very positive effect for US dollar that you can see the pictures of 500 above non-farm payroll figure the last month February. I can see it. I would like to see it to the gold chart. This point is the February 3rd last month non-farm NFP data was released. You can see gold drop to the downside because of it's a very positive effect to the US dollar. So economic data is a very important US dollar, very important to the gold chart behavior. You can see that last month NFP data what was happened to the gold chart. So you can forecast to the next Friday. I would like to tell my forecast to your gold trade that the 224 is the forecast figure. Now I would like to tell you that the actual figure is above 202k. Above 224k is the actual figure. That was the positive for US dollar. That will be the sell gold. That's my forecast. The above 224 figure will be released in non-farm payroll. That's the positive for US dollar. Then US dollar positive, that's the gold will be sell to the downside. That's my first forecast with the non-farm payroll. And my second forecast is the actual figure will be the below 200k. That is not positive for US dollar, and gold should be buy from this level. That's my two forecasting this type of ranging, and it will be gold buy. That's not positive figure for actual figure that the non-farm payroll released will be next Friday. So that's my two analysis with the non-farm payroll that you will be trading. You are trading with gold. You should follow non-farm payroll figure with the economic data. It will be released 10th March 2023. That's my analyzing the economic data what will going on with the US dollar and the gold. So that's the economic data. Now I am moved to the 4-hour chart. What is the technical behavior? So you can see I already mentioned this color my last videos. You can see it, this candle was broken and going to the upside, and you can see this week this order block will has effect to this sell gold, and yesterday's Fed meeting was affected to the gold sell from this order block. That's a huge sell options. And this week, and this technical picture is there. You can focus this black color line 1800 level for the gold trade with the non-farm payroll effect with Friday. That's you focus this figure and get the trade from the dash I marked second line confirmation zone. So that's the figure. So smaller time confirmations, get the trade and forecast for the non-farm pair.